Hello guys. What's up? Today we will learn why my cursor not clicking the object in CorelDraw and how we can fix it. In the beginning, I want to let you know that this is not software issue or file issue. You can fix it without reinstalling the software or repairing. Just do these steps. As you can see, my mouse is not clicking over the object. I am regularly clicking on it. I will draw some shape in the file. Now there are too many shapes have been ready. Now click over any one of the object and see some tool hides. Once you click. Now click on board. You can see treat as filled tool. Now click on it. When you have clicked, it will be pressed behind. Now you can click entire your drawn object. It is so easy.